Today we're going to replace the handle here for my Mazda 6 hatchback. It's a little rusty and barely, as you can tell, work. Yeah, it definitely needs replacing. So we bought a new one. Just down here from Mazda. And there's the part number. Still got the shakes. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is actually go underneath here and take out, well, the first thing if you want, this thing wants to keep sliding up on me, I should tie it down. Just pop this, and then push that out. And then you gotta take out that bolt right there, and that one up in there. So we'll do that now with it's a 10 millimeter. Okay, we got those screws out, and one thing I forgot to mention before, see those screws that are moving there? You gotta take those out. They go to this cover right here. Once you get them out, you can take it out and get access to this. And all we have to do is take it out. Let's see why it's not coming out. Oh, this clip. It's gotta be pulled back in. Oh, sorry, I got the shakes like crazy today. I must need something. Plus, putting your arms up in the air don't help. So now, got it out. We got our differences here. Definitely shot. I've welded on and on, but that thing's really rusty. So this would be like night and day for me, using my trunk. So let's put this on the outside. It's got a seal right here, so make sure that's clean. And that's far from clean. Let's see, that's some white grease I put on it to... let's go get a paper towel. So I cleaned that up there best I could. This is gonna have to be like, you know, got the neighbor's dogs going nuts. Over gosh knows what. Okay, that's should clean it up a lot more, but I'm definitely not. And then I gotta be. You just go away. So we'll just put that through there, like so. Now we're going to go underneath and put the screws back on it. Okay? Okay, so we got it bolted up and put this here, and we're going to put that right about, see the marks in it? If you can see if it's, there's little marks that it's clean, so I'm going to put that right back in those slots, like that, and lock it up, test it all out. We do still have to install this here, but we'll do that after. Gotta love that. Left open so long. Oh, look at that. It works. Beautiful. And that's how you install the rear latch on an 05 Mazda 6 hatchback. Thanks for watching.